Here are the two cockapoos that are still available. This is the little girl. See, she's very nicely marked, going to be small, only about 8 to 9 pounds. Already getting very curly. Here's brother. Out here trying to chew on my foot. Can we see your face? Can we see your face, huh? Zoom out a little bit. So there he is. There's sister. So these are the two that are still available.